What's up guys, welcome to your 145th Android tutorial for the new Boston. What we're going to do in this tutorial is get our actual key for when we're developing for the marketplace, because right now we're working with our debug key, so we need to get our actual key. But before we do that, we need to be able to sign our project and export it. So that's what we're going to do in this tutorial, and then in the next tutorial we'll actually get the key and all that good stuff. So let's get into it. I know I told you guys we were done with the map stuff. Well, I kind of lied, but kind of didn't, because we aren't going to program anything. I'm going to teach you guys how to export. So what we're going to do is right click on our package called maps, go to Android Tools, and then export signed application package. And we're going to click our maps, make sure it's on maps, hit next. So we don't have a key store yet, so we're going to say create new key store, and we're going to browse for a location. Now what I like to do is go into my documents and create a folder called Android apps, because we want to remember where this key store is, and we want to remember where our APK file is that we're going to finish at the end of this tutorial. And we also need to remember all our passwords. We need to remember pretty much everything when we want to update our application after it's been on the marketplace, or just pretty much anything we do after we sign it to the marketplace the first time. We need to remember where all these locations are. Even to get our actual key for a map application, we're going to have to remember where this is. So just create a folder called Android apps, and we're going to say maps, save this as maps alias, or not alias, maps key store. Hit enter, and then we need to create a password that we're going to remember. I'm going to say Travis and hit enter. So now that's where we created our key store, and we also have to create an alias. So I'm going to label mine maps alias, and again you guys have to remember your alias and your key store and all those passwords, so just try and keep it simple. And I'm going to say from a password it's Travis, again Travis, and validity is for 1,000 years. And also you might want to reference your first name, or if you even want to fill out more information about yourself, you can. Doesn't really matter. I'm going to give my first name Travis and hit next. And then we need to assign our APK file to a destination. So we're going to hit browse and Android applications, and our APK file is called maps. So hit next. Once it's in that folder, hit finish. And that basically exports our project. So when we try and upload to the marketplace, or for example in the next tutorial where we get our key for Google Maps activity, we're going to have to remember those locations, and I'll kind of show you guys how to do that in the next tutorial. So I'll catch you guys then, and have a good one.